Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See, here the equation of the line is given 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. The first we need to find the slope of this line. So how to find the slope? So we know that the slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus b. So just write the equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus b. So for that we just need to write the function of y. So for y is equals to minus 3x plus 7. So if we divide 4 on both sides, we'll get y is equals to minus 3 by 4x plus 7 by 4. Now compare this equation with y is equals to mx plus c, which is slope intercept form, where m is the slope. So we can conclude that the slope of the given equation is minus 3 by 4. The slope of the given equation m is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now let's move to the next part of the question. So the equation of the perpendicular line is given, which is passing through the intersection of the lines. The two lines are given. So we got the slope is minus 3 by 4. So now find the slope of the perpendicular line. The slope of the perpendicular line is so we just need to take a negative reciprocal of the given slope, so which is minus 1 by m. So we got minus 3 by 4. The slope of the perpendicular line is minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4. So we'll get a 4 by 3. The slope of the perpendicular lines is 4 by 3. Now find the intersection point. So the given equations are x minus 2. So we just need to find the intersection point anyway. Yeah, intersection of lines. So which is x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. So let that equation as 1 and 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0, and this equation as 2. So just add both the equations. So x plus 3x becomes 4x and y minus y becomes cancels out 0. So and then 2 minus 10 is minus 8. So 4x is equals to 8 and x is equals to 8 by 4, which is 2. Now find the y value. So just substitute x is equals to 2 into an equation 1. So the equation 1 is x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. So just substitute x value equals to 2. So 2 minus y plus 2 equals to 0. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. So which is minus y is equals to minus 4. And the y value is 4. So the intersection point. So just write down the intersection point as x comma y. So the intersection point is 2 comma 4. Now find the the perpendicular equation. Point is 2, 4 and the slope is 4 by 3. So just use point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So the equation of the line which a perpendicular to the given equations. So just write down the formula, the slope intercept form, which is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So here the given point, we got the intersection point as 2, 4. So y minus 4 into 4 by 3 into x minus 2. Now multiply 3, move that 3 to the left hand side, will get 3 times of y minus 4 equals to 4 times of x minus 2. Now distribute this one. So 3 times of y, 3 times of minus 4, and 4 times of x, and 4 times of minus 2. So we will get 3y minus 12 equals to 4x minus 8. Now add 12 on both sides. We'll get 3y is equals to 4x plus 4. Now subtract 3y on both sides. So we'll get 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the given line. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.